Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to put this cute little journal page together. I just took some paper sack, lunch paper sack, and ripped it, and then I scrunched it up, and I'm going to add some of this magical powders from Lindy's gang. I will link that down below. Get it wet. The colors are amazing. I'm going to squish it up again, and then while it's wet, I'm going to add, this is antique linen distress inks from Ranger Inks. I will also link that. The background paper I have on here, I'm doing a really fun Fruit of the Spirit devotional with Kara Tootie, who is Ingrid Carlson, and I will also link her YouTube channel so that you guys can follow along with that. So all the paper, the rose, the background, that really beautiful blue and white paper, that's from her. So I took the rose and, oh, you guys, by the way, all her papers are free right now for the devotional, so head over there. Okay, wait. Okay, so the other thing, I found this person, Art for a Spell, on Instagram, and she showed us how to make your own washi tape. I love this. I love it. I will link her Instagram for you. It's so much fun making that. So this journal page is on the Fruit of the Spirit, goodness. And Ingrid has all kinds of beautiful artwork that you can download and thoughts to use for your devotional and scripture, and it's just really, really fun. So I have put a crease, a little fold in this paper, and I'm going to stamp the word goodness. Now these stamps, I got them at Hobby Lobby and they were on clearance, so I don't know if they still have them, but I will look and see, and if they do, I will link these as well. So I'm going to stamp the word goodness. Look, cute little flap, right? But the flap, I think it needs to be a little bit cuter, so I'm going to add this washi tape that I made. And I'm going to stick it right here. I'm going to ask the gal if she would mind, from Art for a Spell, if I did a little tutorial on this myself. All right, here are my all-time favorite bulb pins. Again, I will link because they're on Amazon and they're fabulous and they add fun to anything you make. And these little sequin pin, what are these? Little bead things. I got these at our 99-cent store. And I got the little container to put them in as well. And I'm going to add this here as a little handle. And yes, I flicked to this little tassel really fast because as I was videoing it, I could not get it tied at all. So whoosh, here you go, the magic of video, and I'm going to trim it. And then I'm going to decide where I want this little cutie pie. Sometimes I have to use an awl to make a hole for these, but somehow it's going to fit, I promise, right there. It poked its way through. And that is my journal page for the devotional. Love it. Tell me what you think. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I will see you next time with a new video.